Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up. Respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about in this video. Alright, so I'm going to get started. Now, first things first. I am going to present to you a piece of a video that is being talked about on social media. And in my point of view, the video is being talked about on social media because of some words that a person who you can see in the video said. Now, I got the understanding that a person who you can see in the video, in his words, said, "I do not work." And in my point of view, that person was preaching. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to the video carefully and tell me what you think about this piece of video that I'm about to present to you. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with words that the person used in this piece of video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
It was church money. I do not work. I mean, I tell you like, I don't work.
Yeah, listen.
I mean, I work. I even work. I mean, I go powerful like how me powerful. Right, brown man? Amen. Come in, I have time to see God. I go walk and do me work.
Listen.
But when I see God,
listen.
and me come do the work, yes. It's work.
Yes. Okay.
Amen. Come on, somebody. Yeah, TikTok. Everyone on the chat. One want chat now. On my money, I feel my money this. Amen. Come on, no problem. No problem. Nobody else. And I appreciate me. Come on, man.
Yeah, I want my people.
On, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So answer my people.
All who give to me, God, multiply back 1,000 of 1,000. 1,000 of 1,000.
Listen.
If you don't have the 1,000, I can bring 5 in on this school take.
Yeah. Now, I know that some people might disagree with what the person said in the video, in the viewers and subscribers, and I know that some people might disagree with what I'm about to say. But listen to me. See? If the words that the person said in the video are accurate and also true, then in my point of view, at least he's honest. So me look on it, you understand? But one thing me know for sure, I don't play with God. Don't play with God. See? God is no joking thing. Alright? So let me see if we can move on to another topic now, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about that video. Now, I am going to present another video to you that is being talked about on social media. And I got the understanding that this video is being talked about on social media because it is said that a motorcyclist who you can see in this video was operating a motorcycle while eating. I could tell you about the video in the viewers and subscribers, but I think it would be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself. I'm also presenting the video to you so that you can be able to determine if a motorcyclist who you can see in this video was eating while operating a motorcycle. Now, I want to say this to each and every one. It is not right to eat while operating motor vehicles. Do not eat while operating motor vehicles. It can be dangerous. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
The money alright, they're not eating box food.
Look and listen.
Money alright, they're not eating box food. Hold it, kill it.
Why were you serious? No, sir.
Yo, go pass it on the kitchen for them.
Alright, my people, pay attention. Pay attention. Tell me, what do you see right here that is somewhat rest on the motorcycle? Where you see? Eh? And tell me, what do you see the person was holding? May I tell you? But people, this situation really and truly 100% totally surprised me because me see stunt riders do some stunts that I call somewhat crazy. You see me I say, but on a real still viewers subscribers, I would not recommend anyone to do any of those things, you know. It's dangerous to do certain things while you're operating motor vehicles, whether it wants to be a car, a bus, a truck, motorcycle, whatever, you know. Don't do certain things when you're operating motor vehicles, cause that can be dangerous. Let me know what you think, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a girl who is said to be a minor died in a fire at a house within the Rallington Town area, Kingston, Jamaica on Thursday. According to at least one news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, the girl is said to be 12-year-old. Now, it is said that after the fire started, viewers and subscribers, police and the fire department were summoned about the situation. And it is said that the girl's burnt remains were found during what is said to be the cooling down operations by firefighters. Now, I did not get any confirmed information as to what started the fire, viewers and subscribers. And I also got the understanding that there are pieces of videos circulating on social media about the situation. And I'm going to present a piece of one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, before I move on to another topic. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the piece of video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself. Alright, my people, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, when it comes on to a video that is circulating on social media that shows when a person used an object that is said to be a cricket bat to hit a person more than one time, well, I got information that police said that that person was arrested. And there's more to the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, so listen. Now, according to a post that had been made on a social media account or a social media page for the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service, I got the understanding that the post said January 26th, 2023 media release. The post had words that said, Batman out caught by POSD for assault. What that mean? Batman out caught by POSD for assault. Anyways, so words in the post say, a 42-year-old St. James man was granted bail in the sum of $80,000 by a Justice of the Peace (JP) yesterday after being charged with malicious danger and assault by beating against a woman. The post also mentioned a name right there. You know, I don't want to say the first part of the name. I'm going to say the last part of the name. Joseph, a PH taxi driver, was granted bail by JP Stephen Young on Wednesday, 25th January 2023 and is scheduled to appear before a Port of Spain magistrate on February 28th, 2023. Reports say that the 18-year-old victim was in the company of a friend at the corner of Henry Street and Independence Square, Port of Spain on January 19, 2023 when she got into a verbal altercation with a man. During the incident, the man allegedly took out a cricket bat and hit her to the face and lower back. The woman's cellular phone was also damaged during the altercation. Video footage of the incident went viral on social media and was brought to the attention of the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. You hear that, my people? Alright, so listen again now. Now, the victim subsequently made a report of the incident to the police. An intelligence-led exercise was spearheaded by ACP. You know what? I'm going to skip out that part here at the post viewers and subscribers, because I'm not so good with names like that. Sometimes I will pronounce a name one way when the person pronounce his or her name a different way. Understand? So I skip out that part. Overall, I got the understanding that a person who is said to be a male suspect was arrested. Alright, and according to another part of the post that I'm looking at, the post said Joseph was charged with the offenses by PC Felix of the Central Police Station on Wednesday, 25th of January 2023, viewers and subscribers. And the post also contains a picture that shows a person. See? So when it comes down to the video that is circulating on social media that shows a person use an object that is said to be a cricket bat to hit a person more than one time, well, that's the information that I got, and I hope that this whole entire video was somewhat informative. Here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.